I look after our strategic partnerships in our Northern European geography, and there's some excellent examples of the work ITC are doing with us in that region. Can you give us a bit of background about ITC? What would you like to be known for?
In the context of 3DS, I think we would want to be known as a service provider who has a deep understanding of business, has a deep domain knowledge, has a very good understanding of the levers that help business outcomes. And we have a very high level of technology expertise and the experience on various platforms. In this case, the Delmia platforms like Apriso and Quintic and Artems.
Personally, I've seen a lot of good examples in the market of where we've partnered and delivered some very successful projects. Would you mind, Sundaresh, sharing a little bit about some of the joint success that you've seen, or maybe one or two of the key deals that you've seen, one with ITC Infotech and 3DS?
Yeah, I think, as you rightly said, I think in partnership with Dassault and the Dassault platforms, we have really delivered significant value to multiple customers. Maybe I'll talk about 2 or 3. One of them is a large CPG manufacturer with around 45 plants across the globe. Some of them completely automated, some of them semi-automated, who embarked on a global manufacturing execution systems on Apriso, which we were able to successfully implement, bring a lot of business value outcome for them in terms of improvement in their OEE, improvement in their productivity, reduction in their man hours, improvement in the wastage that used to come because of the product integrity, better control on inventory, and various aspects like that on a global scale. For a global vertical transport integrator, we are involved in both the manufacturing execution as well as on the planning space. We are implementing very robust manufacturing execution systems which covers maintenance, quality, production, and automating the complete manufacturing execution system, and in some ways delivering values in terms of the KPIs, the reduction in the inventory that they are carrying, 15% reduction in the defects that the shop floor was doing, implementing some of the lean principles like Andon and an integrated factory, which is also integrated with the planning upfront, right? So that is the piece I would think which is very interesting, and which is what possibly adds significant value, where the planning piece is tightly integrated with the manufacturing execution system, and hence the changes in planning roll in seamlessly into their manufacturing system, and hence the customer was able to derive a lot of value out of it.
Some excellent examples there. So thank you for taking us through that. And I think something that stood out to me there was you mentioned that end-to-end process and how you sort of go through the engagement from blueprint right down to value delivery conclusion. So Sundaresh, I'll thank you very much for your time, and I'm very hopeful and excited about the prospects of this partnership. So thank you.
Thanks for this opportunity, and this is a wonderful opportunity to for all, as partners, to kind of take it to more customers and have more cases where we add value to the customer.